They may be small, but cloves pack a powerful punch. Used for centuries as a natural remedy, cloves are praised for their antibacterial, antifungal, and even pain-relieving properties. But here's something most people don't realize. This seemingly harmless spice can have serious side effects when consumed in excess. If you love adding cloves to your diet, you need to know the hidden dangers lurking beneath their benefits. Stick around until the end because I'll reveal a hidden danger of cloves that most people don't know. While this spice is packed with health benefits, overusing it can lead to serious side effects. Enjoying this so far? Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Aneya Healthy Living for more powerful health insights. The risk of blood thinning. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which acts as a natural blood thinner. While this can be beneficial in preventing blood clots, excessive consumption can increase the risk of excessive bleeding. This is especially dangerous for individuals taking anticoagulants like warfarin or aspirin. Even a small overdose could make you more prone to bruising, nosebleeds, or prolonged bleeding after injuries. Excessive consumption of cloves can interfere with the body's ability to clot blood properly, leading to prolonged bleeding even from minor cuts. This can be particularly dangerous for people with existing bleeding disorders or those who are preparing for surgery. In some cases, internal bleeding may occur without obvious external signs, making it a silent but serious risk. If you take blood-thinning medications, be cautious with clove tea, clove oil, or raw cloves. Your health should always come first, so consult your doctor before making cloves a daily habit. Liver toxicity and clove oil. Overuse. Clove oil is often used to relieve toothaches, but did you know that too much of it can damage your liver? Eugenol, while helpful in small amounts, becomes sick when consumed in large doses. Studies have shown that high eugenol intake can lead to liver failure, especially in children. Cases of severe liver damage have been reported in people who mistakenly consumed high amounts of clove oil, thinking it was harmless. The lesson here? Always use clove oil sparingly and never ingest it without proper dilution or medical supervision. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for any medical concerns or conditions. Let's move towards video. Stomach irritation and digestive issues. If you suffer from digestive problems, too many cloves might be making things worse. Cloves can irritate the stomach lining, leading to acidity, heartburn, and even ulcers in extreme cases. The strong compounds in cloves can disrupt your gut balance, causing nausea, bloating, and diarrhea. The high concentration of essential oils in cloves can increase stomach acid production, which may aggravate conditions like acid reflux or gastritis. For those with sensitive stomachs, consuming too many cloves may result in painful cramps or chronic indigestion. Over time, excessive consumption may damage the protective lining of the stomach, increasing the risk of developing ulcers. Do you often experience stomach discomfort after consuming clove-heavy foods or teas? Your body might be trying to tell you something. Reduce your intake and see if your symptoms improve. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to like and share this video. Your health matters, and so does spreading awareness. Allergic reactions and respiratory problems. Not everyone can handle cloves safely. Some individuals are allergic to eugenol and may experience skin irritation, rashes, or even breathing difficulties after exposure. In severe cases, clove allergies can trigger asthma attacks or anaphylaxis, which is a life-threatening condition. If you notice itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing after using clove products, stop immediately and seek medical attention. Your safety is always the priority. Impact on blood sugar levels. Diabetics often use cloves as a natural way to control blood sugar. But here's the catch. Too much can cause blood sugar to drop dangerously low. This condition, known as hypoglycemia, can lead to dizziness, confusion, and even unconsciousness. Cloves contain compounds that enhance insulin activity, which can be beneficial for those with high blood sugar levels. However, when combined with diabetes medication, the blood sugar lowering effect may become too strong, causing symptoms like sweating, shakiness, blurred vision, and even fainting. If left untreated, severe hypoglycemia can result in coma or death. If you have diabetes and take medication to lower blood sugar, combining it with high doses of cloves can create serious complications. Always consult your doctor before using cloves as a supplement. Want more health tips like this? Subscribe to our channel and stay informed. Who should avoid cloves? Identifying high-risk individuals. While cloves are generally safe in small amounts, certain people should limit or avoid them altogether. People with bleeding disorders. Because of its blood-thinning properties, cloves can worsen bleeding conditions and increase the risk of excessive blood loss, even from minor injuries. pregnant and breastfeeding women. High amounts of cloves may cause uterine contractions, increasing the risk of premature labor. Additionally, eugenol can pass into breast milk, potentially causing digestive issues in newborns. Children under 2 years old. Clove oil is extremely potent and can be toxic to infants, leading to serious breathing difficulties or liver damage if ingested. Individuals with liver disease. Since cloves contain high levels of eugenol, they may put extra stress on an already compromised liver, worsening conditions such as fatty liver disease or hepatitis. People undergoing surgery. Eugenol's blood-thinning effect can interfere with the body's natural clotting mechanism, increasing the risk of excessive bleeding during and after surgery. Doctors recommend stopping clove consumption at least 2 weeks before any surgical procedure. People with sensitive stomachs. Those prone to acid reflux, ulcers, or gastritis should avoid excessive clove intake as it may worsen irritation and cause severe digestive discomfort. Individuals prone to low blood sugar. Hypoglycemia. Since cloves can lower blood sugar, people who are already at risk of hypoglycemia should be cautious to prevent sudden energy crashes and dizziness. Safe ways to enjoy cloves without harming your health. Cloves aren't all bad. In fact, when used correctly, they can be beneficial. Here's how to enjoy their benefits without the risks. Stick to small doses. No more than 2 to 3 cloves a day, or a small pinch of ground cloves in food. Use diluted clove oil. Always mix clove oil with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil before applying it to the skin. Drink clove tea in moderation. 1 cup per day is generally safe, but avoid overuse. Monitor your reactions. If you experience any side effects, reduce or eliminate cloves from your diet. If you've learned something new today, hit that like button and share this with your friends and family. Let's keep our health in check together. Cloves can be a powerful addition to your diet, but as with anything, too much of a good thing can be harmful. Understanding the risks and knowing how to consume cloves safely can help you make the best choices for your health. Remember, moderation is key. Have you experienced any side effects from cloves? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more valuable health insights. Stay active, stay healthy, and stay happy.